For this trick, I'm going to try teleporting a card from the 2 red jacks to the 2 black jacks. Alright, let's do this. So, like most magic tricks, the first thing that I'm going to need is for a card to be selected. So I would go through the cards and have the spectator point to anyone they want. So let's see, I'm going through and they tap this one right here, okay? Tap this card. Now, remember, you could have chosen any card for the jacks to teleport, but you chose this card, the 7 of hearts, as you can see right there, right? So what I'm going to be doing is taking the 7 and actually placing it in between the 2 red jacks, okay? All right, and then I'm going to take these jacks and set them over there, all right? Okay, and so now we get to the 2 black jacks, right? And I promise you these are normal cards, right? Okay. So now I'm going to introduce these jacks to you because these are the jacks that are going to be trying to teleport the card from the red jacks to themselves, right? So I have the jack of spades right here, and then I also have the jack of clubs, all right? And like I said, what the jacks are going to be trying to do, what the jacks are going to try is to teleport the 7 of hearts from the red jacks in between the black jacks, all right? Okay, so, ready? I'm going to take the 2 black jacks, and I'm actually going to place them inside of the box, okay? So, 2 black jacks in the box. All right, just like that. They've been placed inside of the box. Okay, now, remember, you could have chosen any card, right? Any of these cards. But the card you chose is a 7 of hearts. Okay. Which is right now in between the 2 red jacks. Alright, watch this. I have the jack of diamonds, your card, and the jack of hearts. Like I said, what I'm going to be trying to do here is take your card, the 7 of hearts, and get it to go in between of the 2 red jacks. I mean the 2 black jacks, alright? It is in between the 2 red jacks. Okay, but before we do that, I don't want to get too ahead of myself here because you might be a little bit suspicious of this box. So what I'll do is I'll actually show it to you, alright? So you can make sure that it's a completely normal box. It's from the Navigator's deck, and there's no tricks with it, no secret cards attached to the back, and it's just a normal card deck box, alright? Okay, so now that we've gotten that out of the way, I think it's time to actually do the teleportation. You ready? Alright, on the count of 3, the red jacks are gonna send the card to the black jacks. 1, 2, 3. Just like that. 2 red jacks in the box. We have the 2 black jacks with one called 7 of hearts.